Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw Tips and Tricks. Somebody sent me this JPEG of this star with rounded inner corners. And I've already done it. I kind of played around with it. Two ways you could do it. I've already got indexing lines in the center of the page. I'm going to grab my star, make a star, turn it into a six-sided star, and then hit P, and then turn it back into a five-sided star. So now the star shows it's there. I've done many videos on this, but the center actually is right there. And then take an ellipse, and because we have snap to guidelines on, it will snap right to it. Let's zoom in here. And you could do one of two things. You could rotate your circle around, or you could just go ahead and fill this in with the Smart Fill tool. Control D and make a duplicate of that guy. Move the center rotation to the center, and then rotate that 72 degrees. Whoop. Control D, 144 degrees. Control D, Control D. And then just take your circle away, your ellipse, and then grab the whole thing, and then you can make the line black, and you can make it thick to kind of show off better. So there's one way to do it. It looks pretty good. The other way to do it, that might be even a little easier, don't have to worry about center of the page, is to make a star. Control D to make a duplicate of that star, and then go up to Windows, Dockers, Corners, and I've got mine set on 0.71, and you see what it's doing. It's actually kind of showing you. And then hit Apply, and then just take your Smart Fill tool and fill in those 5 spots. They will be perfectly equal. Then you could grab the center and take away, hit delete, take away the inside star, which has the rounded corners. And then you can double click on your pen tool and make it 4 points or 8 points and make it black. So 2 ways to do the same thing. And there might even be more ways. But anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.